I'm indeed honored to be here this morning to open the 4th National Geospatial Information Management Annual Conference. Today, ladies and gentlemen, experts in the geospatial industry are gathered together not only to exchange and learn from each other, but to discuss ways to move this industry forward. Our theme today is connected data and 3 clicks to everything. Clearly demonstrates how geospatial technology such as geospatial information systems and global positioning systems and remote sensing plays a critical role to our daily lives. It is indeed our wish that Fiji and all Fijians join other nations and use geospatial information for our development and efficient delivery of our services. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government has been supportive of this geospatial information management initiative and has provided significant budgetary allocations to various government organizations in our bid to better serve all Fijians. For the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources, the government had allocated a significant budget of close to about $5 million for the development of our Vanua GIS, and the modernization of our very own data, and the purchase of satellite images and a mapping drone. So all Fijians will enjoy our services with 3 clicks to everything if we make data sharing a reality. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the government is the custodian of an astounding collection of unique data gathered directly and indirectly in the course in many, many years. And in my last address to the Fiji Geospatial Information Management Council in November 2017, I had actually urged for a collaborative effort in the sharing of our quality data through the National Geospatial Information Management Strategy. Now, with the establishment of a National Geospatial Information Management Strategy, it aims to provide the foundation of a platform that integrates different data sets, and policymakers are able to make better decisions for all Fijians. Therefore, the accuracy and the accessibility of that particular data is crucial. As I've stated in the past, and will continue to reiterate, the data sharing is about access to quality data freely across government, whether laterally or vertically without restrictions, to help our nation grow economically. We live in a day and age where technology without our own restrictions to data, of course, through smart devices, will allow for all Fijians living in rural and remote areas and communities to access our services with just 3 clicks. Connected data is vital not only in giving informed decisions nationally, but also in Fiji's effort and commitment in achieving the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, the Sendai Framework for Disaster Risk Reduction, the Paris Agreement on Climate Change, and the Samoa Pathway. We obviously dream for a smarter Fiji, and I challenge the ministries responsible to work together to make this a reality. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to inform this forum that the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources has embarked on a common sensing project in collaboration with the United Nations Institute for Training and Research, and the Operation Satellite Program, UNOSAT, and the UK Space Agency's International Program, IPP. The main objective of this project is to improve resilience towards climate change and to improve disaster risk reduction and contribute towards the sustainable development of the 3 selected small island developing states, Fiji, the Solomon Islands, and Vanuatu. Furthermore, this will be achieved through the direct interaction with the existing programs with the Commonwealth Secretariat, which includes the Climate Finance Access Hub, and in addition, the activities will be implemented with the support of national government agencies and the regional Commonwealth structures. This 3-year project commenced in January of this year, and during the first 6 months of its inception, a group of scientists representing the various partners visited various government organizations and on a fact-finding mission on the data availability and capacity level. So at the end of the 3-year project, it is anticipated that we will have outcomes such as increased resource capacities to address disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation, enhanced evidence-based decision-making by using the solutions for disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation, and of course, strengthen knowledge and skills and awareness on solutions for disaster risk reduction and climate change adaptation. At this juncture also, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to urge all the sectors to actively participate in geospatial information and take on the responsibilities and challenges, because there is still much to be done in acknowledging the positive impact of geospatial information in our country. I also encourage you all to rise above the challenges up ahead, and especially in trying to enhance the quality and the ease of our own services through the use of geospatial information. So, ladies and gentlemen, with those few words, I wish you well in your deliberations today and your discussions, and I encourage you all to actively participate throughout the day and continue to contribute to a progressive geospatial industry. And I'd also like to thank Akata and the team for organizing this today. Thank you very much, and available.
Better than that, can we have another round of applause, please?